All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Temperatures cooling off, beautiful sky conditions tonight. We did have some haze and smoke in the FM area. That's starting to push its way south just a little bit. You can notice a distinct blue color to the upper levels of the atmosphere, and definitely some cooler temperatures than we've had. There is a chance even tonight of some northern lights, but our chances will increase as we go through the week. We want you to have your Valley News Live weather app handy because you can upload your photos right from your app on your mobile device, making it easy for you to share with us what you're seeing in your neck of the woods. Here's a look at that forecast and a couple of reminders for you. Our chances will increase, particularly Wednesday and Thursday, as within the last 24 hours we've had some solar activity, and that geomagnetic storm is sending a solar wind of particles our way that's going to interact with our atmosphere and could produce some beautiful colors. Clouds could be a part of the forecast, but it does look like we'll have an increasing chance at seeing northern lights and that activity as we head through midweek and beyond. Temperatures right now dropping into the 50s in Grand Forks. Bemidji, look at that, low 50s for you at 53. Fargo-Moorhead at 61 and 62 degrees. Here's a look at your temperatures elsewhere. We do have 55 in Roseau, 57 Langdon, holding on to the 60s in the south. It was a hot one in Pierre today, 90s there, and well into the 80s today in Minneapolis, St. Paul, with temperatures still in the 70s for those locales. We're already dropping in Rolla to 52 degrees, 55 in Warroad and Roseau, and the precipitous fall in temperatures is on its way. 20 degrees cooler in Fargo than last night at this time, and that north flow will continue. We are quiet. The boundary between the hot air shifting south now, south of the Twin Cities, where there's some strong to severe storms. Here's that light mix, that milky color there. That's the smoke moving south. Your forecast. How low will we go? Here you go. We'll pause this in the morning in case you happen to be leashing up the llama before dawn. Temperatures could be in the upper 30s in a few spots like Rock Lake, like, well, Walhalla, and maybe even Cavalier. Otherwise, 40s for most on a crisp start to your day. Open up the windows and let the AC unit have a little break. Clear skies for a while. Mid-morning showers could be locally heavy. Moderate rain moving from the Bismarck area into southeast North Dakota. Should stay south of Interstate 94. And to the north, quiet, but cooler still. Cooler than today's readings by a couple of degrees. Low 70s here in Fargo and in Grand Forks. We'll have a lot of folks in the 60s tomorrow, particularly the Devil's Lake Basin, where your heat gets cut off by some late day showers. They'll be quick passing and hit and miss in variety. Don't count on a lot in the old rain gauge from any of this activity. Speaking of activity, this is what was going on this weekend. Some powerful and potent thunderstorms delivering a plethora of sizes of hail. Look at this, anywhere from maybe pea size to hard to tell, but that's a fairly good sized chunk. We remind you to go ahead and put yourself a fancy ruler on the largest stones to help us help you know what those thunderstorms are making. 74 on Wednesday, quiet for your day. Thursday, look at the heat, kind of up and down temperatures as we go through the work week. We stay warm for Friday and cool off a pinch for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday on your Pro-Seed farming forecast. Then the rest of the 11-day planner shows, oof, the heat returns, looks fairly dry as we go from Tuesday all the way through late next week.
Probably not many complaints with that forecast. Looking pretty comfortable.
A little bit for everybody.
Yeah. Thanks, Hutch. Hey, the Powerball numbers are in. Tonight's numbers 2,